looked at how to use the if, elif, else structure, and I want to show you how you can use that in terms of creating a menu for an application that might do multiple things, and we let the user choose which operation they want to do. So very simply, this project is going to allow the user to either calculate the area of a rectangle, the area of a circle, or the area of a right triangle. And we're going to print that menu to them and ask them to enter A, B, or C based on which operation they want to perform. And so we get an input statement. We're going to convert it to an uppercase in case they put in a lowercase A, B, or C. We're going to put that into a variable called choice. So choice is a string variable. Our if statement here is if choice equals A, then we're going to calculate the area of a rectangle. And I basically ask them to enter the width and the height, convert those to floating values. We calculate the area and we print it out. If, however, they chose B, we got an elif here of choice is equal to B. We're going to calculate the area of a circle, and we'll get the diameter from them as a floating value. Calculate the radius. Area is pi times radius squared. And by the way, the math.pi here, I used the import math directive up here at the top that allows me to have access to that math.pi. I don't have to type in the 3.1416 whatever value there. And then we're going to print out the area for the circle. And then finally, if they chose a C, we're going to calculate the area of a triangle. That's actually going to be a right triangle. I'll go ahead and save this. The height and width we're going to get from the user for input. We'll convert those to float values. We will calculate the area based on height times width times 1/2, and we'll print the area. Now, if they put in anything other than A, B, or C, we're going to tell them they did not choose a valid operation. That's our else default clause. Let's run this. So I'm going to choose A, enter the width of the rectangle. We'll say 4, and height will be 5, and of course it's width times height. 4 times 5 is 20. Let me run it again. This time I'm going to do a B. I did a lowercase b, convert it to uppercase B. Put in the diameter of the circle. I'm going to use 20, so that way the radius is 10. 10 squared is 100 times 3.1416 gives me 314.16, and that appears to work. Let me run this again. This time I'll do a C, and we'll say the height is 7, and the width is 5, and so that'd be 35, and half of that would be 17.5. If I run this again, and I put in a D, I'm told I did not choose a valid operation.